Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm super excited. We're taking a look at an awesome bunkhouse fifth wheel from Keystone in a great price point category. This is a 2021 Keystone Springdale model 340 FWBH. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about the Springdale and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every RV that we review. And again today, I am super excited to be taking a look at this awesome, amazing price point fifth wheel, the Springdale. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey Will!
Hey guys!
How's it going?
It's going good. Yeah, I'm excited to take a look at the Springdale. When we walked up, we were like, it's kind of designed in a unique way to keep that price point down, keep it a little bit lighter, and all that. So with still a good sized bunk room. So.
Yeah, we're super excited. And if you guys notice the mess going on up here, sorry about that. It's gonna be like this for a few episodes because we just got back from a great charity event over the weekend. Will, let's begin.
All right.
Model is 340 FWBH. The actual tip-to-tip length of this fifth wheel is 37 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 9,385 pounds. And Will, the hitch weight?
I don't know.
Neither do I. It's not currently on our website. But if we had to guess, it's probably 1,500 pounds.
Yep.
To 2,000. Right up here, this looks super nice. It's a painted fiberglass front cap. And this is like a lot smaller fifth wheel. I mean, check out the profile compared to that one. You know what I'm saying? Very unique. I bet you won't be able to stand up on the inside.
Probably not.
Right here we do have the patented hitch mission, and then right here we do have a Lipper component trailer pin box, the Roto Flex trailer pin box. And we would like to thank the crew at Lipper Component for help supporting the charity event weekend. That was awfully nice of them, huh, Will?
It sure was.
Right here we do have a storage compartment. Okay. And then here is your propane tank. Right over here we do have a nice power awning with LED lights. Very big awning. That's the size of the whole fifth wheel almost.
Almost, yeah.
Right here we do have a little bit of storage. Very interesting what's going on here. I love the fact that they give you the solid steps. Very nice feature. And because it's a Springdale, it does have the Springdale Arctic package right there. Right here you have a place to hook up the TV on the outside. And then look at these tires, well, they're the high specs. Oracles, I love those. They are the, oh man.
ST225.
Yeah, where do you see that?
-75 R15.
Well, do not ever steal my lines again. Thank you for seeing that. Oh, there it is. And you do have the Dexter axles right there. Very nice. And then coming down the side, electric stabilizing jacks. Again, not auto leveling. Very unique, but I guess this is...
point.
I wouldn't even call this a fifth wheel. I'd call this a travel trailer that tows like a fifth wheel.
Yeah.
Right? Nice outside kitchen right there. Very nice. Unique. Storage above. Cooktop and everything.
Good size fridge, actually.
There you go. Yeah. Wow, with an ice maker.
Yeah. No, that's not an ice maker. It's just a little freezer compartment.
Freezer compartment still. And then you do have a Suburban cooktop right there. Very nice. Coming around the back, we do have a nice bumper for your stinky slinky. Spare tire carrier, and it is prepped for a Voyager backup camera. Finishing up on the driver's side. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Yep. That's where you dump your black and gray tank right there.
Where?
All the way over there. Tough to get to, but still, for such a small trailer, I'm impressed that you're able to have such big slide outs. 50 amp service. We do have it plugged in. Right here's your water heater. Fresh city water connection, potable water fill, potable. Outdoor shower and everything. Then right here's the other side of the storage.
That's actually not bad.
Not bad. You know, at first I'm like not digging this. But again, once you guys know the MSRP, let alone the sale price, again, if you go into this thinking that it's a travel trailer that tows like a fifth wheel, then it's pretty all right.
Yeah.
Well, the outside of this fifth wheel looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right. All right, we'll start up front.
Yeah.
Got the bedroom up here.
Yep.
The bathroom right there. The kitchen, dining area, living area here, and the bunks in the back. You gonna start in the back?
Let's start in the middle today.
Okay.
Starting in the middle, we first walk in, you got your coat hangers right there. Little bit of storage right here. I love how it's a lower slide out. Well, I don't love that, but I love how they added the windows above it just to let in more natural light. Right over here, we have a dinette with a movable table. I like that, and nice big windows.
Yep.
Okay. I love this light fixture. It's very Art Deco.
No.
Oh. Okay. Well, still very nice. And this dinette does drop down to make a bed. Right over there, you have like a little cubby, I guess, to put like your cell phone, because there is a USB right there. And then over here in the living room area is your theater seats. Very nice and comfortable. We have a light right here. Little bit of storage there and there. This theater seat is very nice because it is directly across from the TV entertainment center. You got this Jensen TV right here. Sound system. Little bit of storage there. And a gray stone fireplace right there. And then... oh, hidden storage. I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Very nice. And it's held by a magnet.
Yep.
Very nice. And coming on in here, the bunk room. Wow. Very big and spacious back here. You have that, a nice bed up here, ladder. Here's where your TV would go. You got your cube lounge right there. This top bed does flip up for headspace. If you look over here, Will, we got plenty of door area. You shut those kids up. And then look at that. We got storage there and storage there. Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this fifth wheel here is... told you it was good. $49,888. That's MSRP. Sale prices, you look there. We don't currently have a sale price because it is a 2021, but we know we'll be able to get everybody in America a lot better sale price than that. Will, tell everybody what to do.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962 or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Send me an email, or the best thing to do is go to MattsRVReviews.com. There you'll see 3 contact choices. If you're ready to buy this RV or any RV, click tab number 1. That takes you to General RV. Somebody from my team will get you the best price in America. If you have questions, click tab number 2. That's how you get directly in contact with me and Will. Or if it's just a generalized fan question, click tab number 3. And Will, doesn't matter what tab somebody selects, what's the one thing that every tab has in common?
They're going to get the best price in America.
Will, let's continue the video.
All right, sounds good. So we'll start over here in the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Got some nice cabinet space up top here.
Uh-huh.
You got a nice gray stone microwave right there with a little bit of storage up top.
Yes, sir.
And some more storage right there.
And then notice the even storage above there if you needed.
Yeah, you can put something up there if you need. Then over here you have a nice window on your campsite.
Yes, sir.
No backsplash or anything.
Okay.
But you do have this, which is pretty cool.
I've never seen anything like that. Like fishing hooks.
Yeah, well, I think it's like a knife thing. And
oh.
Then you can hang your tongs or whatever you need right there.
That tong to tong tong tong.
So that's pretty cool, actually.
Hey, Will. That tong to tong tong tong.
No solid surface countertops. Not surprised at that price point.
Yep.
But it does have a nice faucet and a nice single bowl sink.
Yes, sir.
right here. You got your Greystone. Oh, I forgot the Greystone range.
Hood range.
But here you have it with the blue lights and the oven.
Very nice.
A little bit of drawers right there. And then under the sink,
wow,
space there, and another drawer here. Did I see some storage on this side too? Yeah.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
There and there.
Very nice.
And then, of course, the Ever Chill compressor fridge right here. Fridge and freezer. Already cold.
Very good size. Well, it has been plugged in overnight.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, but still, they do get cold fast.
Yep.
Well, it's now time for the tall test.
All right. All right, so it's a corner radial shower.
Womp, womp.
It's actually not bad though, tall-wise.
Yep. Yep, for sure. I mean, I know it's tall enough, but I feel like the tall test can't just be about being tall.
Right.
We're not calling it the tall test anymore. We're calling it the shower test.
Okay.
And that fails the shower test.
Does,
Any radius shower does.
Plastic.
It's been a long weekend. Well, look at me. I'm a mess. I'm disgusting. It's great meeting everybody at the camp out, but
nothing makes it worse than a plastic toilet either.
Right, right.
Especially in a fifth wheel.
Yes, sir.
Meet you on the other side.
And then finishing up with the bedroom. Will, can you turn that light on for us?
Yep.
Can you can you open up that cabinet right there? While you're standing up straight doing it.
No, I can't.
Oh, okay. Yep, as predicted, Will cannot stand up straight in here.
Right.
But if you want to grab that one as well, very nice. It is prepped for a second air conditioning unit right there.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
You have storage right over there. On a slide
there.
out. There's 3 slide outs, which is nice.
Yeah.
You know, really good size.
There you go.
And then right over here, we do have this drawer right there. More storage. And then, Will, can you lift the bed up for us?
Yep. Oh. A little bit of storage.
Just a little bit. It is a north-south bed.
Yep.
Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give you 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we just don't like about it. Will, what do we do first?
3 things we love.
Okay. You want to go first?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, so despite how kind of small this fifth wheel is, I mean, it is pretty long, but this bunk room is awesome.
Yes.
So, you know, you got 3 beds, you got the little lounge thing, you got space for a TV, you got storage for the kids' clothes. I like this bunk room pretty well.
For sure. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to kind of concur with the footprint of this.
Yeah.
Now, this fifth wheel personally isn't for me.
Right.
I'm not gonna lie. My opinion, if you go with a fifth wheel, go with a fifth wheel, brother.
Right.
But still, the layout's really simple and nice. And something else that I really love is that this entertainment center is across from the TV, and that the TV has a secret storage behind it.
Yep. Pretty cool.
Think that's an awesome feature. So that's 2. And then number 3.
Oh, me?
Yep. I got number 3 if you don't.
Yeah, man.
Just that outside kitchen.
Oh,
simple, nice. And I'm going to combo that with the awesome Lipper component awning. Just how big and long it is.
Yeah,
it's just
definitely.
Really, really nice.
Cool.
Great. So that's 3 things we love about it. Will, now it's time for 3 things we don't like about this fifth wheel. And which 3 should we select?
You want me to go first?
Go ahead.
Mine's outside.
Okay, I will go inside.
Okay.
So, what I will say is, I hate the bathroom.
Yeah.
I hate everything up the steps. For me, it's not bad, but for Will can't even stand up in that bedroom. In that bathroom, just a radius shower, comboing it with the porcelain toilet, that's no bueno for me.
Yep.
That is 1. 2, I'm not a huge fan of heat ducts in the floor.
Yeah.
Never have been, never will be, and I will combo that with the carpet.
Right.
Like, I was okay with that little bit of carpet in the bedroom.
Yeah.
But the fact that it's under the dinette where we're going to drop a tater tot filled with ketchup and avocado cheese on it, I mean, I'm not a fan of that.
Right.
I mean, who wants avocado cheese on the carpet?
You fill your tater tots with avocado and cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never done that before.
All right. Well, see, you learned something new, son. So that's 2. And then Will, number 3.
So I like that they did the electric leveling jacks, but I feel like for not that much more, they could have just done the auto leveling. It would have just been, you know, easy push of the button.
You worded that wrong. You said electric leveling. It is electric stabilizing.
Stabilizing, I'm sorry,
yes.
yeah.
And 100% for just a little bit more money, it could have been auto leveling for sure. It didn't have to be hydraulic.
Right, no,
it didn't have to be 6-point.
Nope.
It could have been 4-point electric leveling.
Exactly, yep.
I 100% agree. Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. That's the 340 BHFW. If you guys have any questions about this fifth wheel, please call, text, send us an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com or 301-906-0962. That is my personal cell number, or the best thing to do is to go to MattsRVReviews.com and click one of the 3 contact me tabs. In a few seconds, if you're in the market for a fifth wheel right here, a fifth wheel like this, we'll put its competition right here. Also, if you want to follow Will and his wife's Jen's new adventures on YouTube, I'll put one of their videos right there for you to check out. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Of course. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, you know, if you think of this as, like Matt said, a travel trailer that tows like a fifth wheel, you know, I think a lot of people can get behind the idea, the floor plan, everything about this.
Yep.
Make sure to leave in the comments down below 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you, absolutely, everybody, so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.